So in this video, we are going to discuss how to uninstall MySQL Workbench from your Mac operating system. Now, might be if you want to uninstall the MySQL Workbench, that can be any reason. Now, just to install it, it's very simple in Mac. What you have to do is first of all, close all the window that you have for Mac. Okay, so I'm going to close all the window. Now, so if you see, you have to go to the Finder. Okay, so open your Finder, and in the Finder, you have to go and click on this application. So if you see, I have this application over here. Okay, so click on this application. Now over there, so you have to click on this MySQL Workbench, right click, okay, or just simply drag and drop it to the bin. Okay, so either you can just drag and drop it to the bin, or what you can do is simply you can click on right click and you can click on move to bin, and that's it. So the MySQL Workbench has been deleted over here. Okay, now in case if you want to do the spotlight search for MySQL Workbench, so you will not get anything over here in your system. So that's a very simple step of how to uninstall MySQL Workbench in your Mac. So I hope you like this particular video. In case if you have any concern, any issues, feel free to put it in the comment section.